In this video, I'm going to show you how you can request money on PayPal. So let's say someone owes you money, you can then send them a request so that they can simply accept that, and you can then receive your money on PayPal. So you want to go to paypal.com, sign into your account, and then you can go to the dashboard and find send and request, or you can find the request button right there. So I prefer this one. Click on request and they will then send you over to that page. There you go. They will then say request payment from. Up to 20 people can pay you back even without an account. Just use their email or mobile number to request. So right there, you want to put in their email. So I'll just put in my own email, like one of my emails. There we go. And then next up, once you've put in their email, it's my bad. Let me do that again. There you go. You want to click on get started and you can then request the amount of money. So let's say someone owes you $10 or 10 euros. You can then put in 10 euros. You can add more people, you can split a bill, and you can also add a note. So you can tell them what it was for. So let's say it was for like a few drinks, whatever. You can put in drinks right there. You can put in a date or whatever. You can then click on request money right there. And that's pretty much how you can request money on PayPal. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Let me know in the comments down below if it works so that others can do this as well. And then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.